Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy causes. Ensure battery is above 20% and remove any case that traps heat. This matters because thermal issues cause forced shutdowns. Once done, boot into safe mode to disable third-party apps and reproduce the shutdown. That tells you if an app is the culprit. Next, open settings and look at apps updated or installed in the last 1 to 2 days. Make a quick note of suspicious entries so you can target them in the next step. Once you've isolated potential software causes, clear the cache partition from recovery mode. Corrupted temporary files often trigger shutdowns, and this is non-destructive. Make sure to uninstall or disable any apps identified earlier, and if an app came with an update, roll it back or install the previous stable build where possible. Simultaneously, run quick hardware checks, battery health from settings or an app, CPU temperature, and storage diagnostics. These tests, if software fixes don't stop the shutdowns, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep system corruption, but should be the last resort. After resetting, monitor behavior. If shutdowns continue, replace the battery or consult a technician because hardware failure or a damaged power circuit is likely. If problems persist, make detailed notes. When it happens, battery percent and temperature. Then contact manufacturer support with those specifics, so they can escalate the repair effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.